So hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to play CTF. Yes guys, we are going to play CTF, and especially the thing called Hack the Box. Basically Hack the Box is giving two missions which are already retired. So we are going to play the mission called Wifinetic. Yep, I guess I'm pronouncing it right. So yeah, let's just begin with it. So as you can see, I have already access to the lab, or maybe the, yep, it's the lab, I know. Okay, anyways, let me just start. Oh, they have introduced two modes. One is adventure and one is guided mode. I guess guided mode is much similar like try hack me. I'm not sure about it. Let's just start with the enumeration and scanning, right? So let me just split my terminal for a second, and let me just clear, and I will go to my home directory. Yep. So yeah, let's just check what are the things we have. I guess I'm in the root directory. I should not be in root directory. Let me just go home. Oops. Let me just exit this, and I can just open a new terminal, right? So yeah, my terminal is all set to hack. I don't know what I'm speaking right now, but anyways, yeah, let me just copy this IP, and as usual in any kind of hacking, we first do the scanning step. Let me just change my directory into my, what to say, desktop. I already have some files in it, so let me just go to desktop. What the fuck, bro? I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, it's there. It's desk. Okay, desktop, CTF, and hack the box, right? So clear, and first let me just ping the IP so that I can make sure I'm getting the response from the IP address. Yep, I'm getting it right. So I'm gonna just stop this, and I will just nmap the IP address here. Mm. Okay, let's just wait for the scan to complete it. By the meantime, let me just check if there is any web server running on this IP address. Nope, there is not. Maybe on port 8080. Nope, there is not. Okay, let's just wait for the nmap to complete. So guys, as you can see, the nmap is completed, and we can see there are three ports, namely FTP, SSH, and domain. I'm not sure what this thing domain is, so let me just skip that for a second. And there are two things which are FTP and SSH. I guess since this is a easy one, I guess, yep, it's the easy one you can see here. So I think there must be some kind of backup files in the FTP already. Let me just check with the FTP server. Yeah, we can use star. Let me just ls. I can go to c. Okay, as you can see, we have got some config files, host, and some other files. I was thinking to first check for the configurations, because all the passwords are stored in configurations, right? So let's just go for the config and ls. We got some wireless. I think the password must be in wireless, since it is the like name itself giving us the clue, right? Wifinetic. So I guess this total room is depending on some kind of Wi-Fi. I think there must be some kind of virtual Wi-Fi, something like a WLAN 0, WLAN 1, some kind of stuff which is going with the software, not actually the hardware. They are simulating the hardware in this machine. I think that must be. If I'm not right, you can just comment down below that I'm not right. Then I will correct my mistake and upload in the next video. So let's just check with the just cat. Where are you, cat? Cat wireless. Sorry. Cat wireless. Right. Okay. As I expected, there are some keys. There is a key. I mean, there is a password. And there is a Wi-Fi net 0. I'm just curious about what will be the username of this. There is the password, and I'm sure this will be the password, because since it is the easy machine, right? So I have to just username. I have to find the username. So how shall we? I think there was it. I think let me just go back ls, and yeah, there is this thing called passwords, right? Cat. Okay. There is a user called root daemon FTP network. No, nobody, and okay. As I think there are three major, I mean, there are two users with the name root and net admin. I think let me just try with both. Okay, I will try this thing here. There are SSH root. I don't think the password will be. I mean, the password we found will be for root, since we are playing hack the box. It's not the try hack me. If it was a try hack me, we can have a chance to get the root access directly. But since it is the hack the box, I think there will be some kind of trick here. So let me just go with the net admin, I guess. So SSH net admin followed by the IP. Have I pronounced the name right? Yep. So, okay. What was the IP? It was 10.10. Oh, I'm typing 19. 10.10.level.247. So yeah, I'm getting the SSH connection right there, and the password was something crazy, right? Yeah. So just copy here and paste it. Enter. Let's just hope for the SSH connection to complete. Yep, as expected. Okay guys, so we have found the root user within just fraction of minutes. As expected, it's the easy machine, right? So we have hacked into the normal user. Now we have to go for the root user, right? So before going to the root user, let me just save this all the information we got into a notepad. So let me just open a cherry tree. So first let me just copy the user's flag. What the yeah. Okay guys, so within just sorry, okay, copy, and I hope this thing will be right. Just paste it here, and user flag will be this. Crossing my hands, hoping it to be correct. Why the fuck it's taking so long? Yeah, we own the what to say that. We own the user flag. That's really awesome, and it was literally a piece of cake for me. So just submit the rating, and we have to find the root user. Since someone already have pasted, I mean, since someone already have installed this run that thing, LinPeas. Where is it? It's /lin. Okay, let's just wait for the scanning to complete, then we will go through each and every steps there. So guys, as you can see, our scanning is totally completed, and let me just go with each and every line so that we can find some of the malicious or some interesting files or any kind of tool which is already installed in there. So let's just scan everything. I mean, just I'm going to scan everything, and if I found something malicious, I will just inform you. Okay, so I'm scrolling to the top so that I can find everything. No, let's just resize this thing. I don't think resize will work on this. Anyways. So guys, I have found something very malicious there. There is this thing called driver, and as I guess there is a tool pre-installed in Kali Linux which is called driver. Let me just check with it. Yeah, as I said, right? So just see what's the tool driver is. Wi-Fi protected setup attack tool. So I think this tool attacks the Wi-Fi network, and it requires two parameters which are interface, which is WLAN, and BSS ID, and I guess there must be some kind of example. Yeah, there is an example right there. So guys, I think I guess that if we run this tool in our Wi-Fi LAN, which is LAN 0, which is LAN 0, and with the base what to say this, let me just check. Yeah, BSS ID. So we will get some kind of credentials right over there. So let me just go down, scroll to bottom, scrolling. Yeah, so let's just run rav. What was the tool name? Let's just copy this thing here, and let's paste this. um Fail to retrieve a MAC address. Okay, I think we already have some kind of address, no? Where was the cherry tree? Yeah, for WLAN 0 we have this BSS ID. So let's just copy this thing and paste it right over there, and let's just enter. Nope, WLAN mon is not found. So what was it? I guess WLAN 0. WLAN 0. We are getting some kind of error. What can be the solution for it? Let's just think. Mm-hmm. So I can just IW, no? IW and list, I guess. Yeah, IW list, and there must be some kind of thing here. I think I'm doing something wrong there. um Let me just try with mon 0. I guess it must be in monitor mode, right? Mon 0. Okay, it's working. And yep, we got another thing called what is real and what is not. I don't think this will work exactly, but let's just try with the password we retrieved just right now. So yeah, root at the rate, what was our IP? 10.10, not here. 10.10 dot, what was it again? It's level dot 247, level dot 247, level dot 247. The password is what is real and what is not. Copy and paste it here. Let's hopefully we get. Okay, shit guys, we actually hacked into the root user. Let's just ls. We got the root user, guys. We got the root user. Just cat the root.text, right? Okay, we got the flag. Copy it and boom. So guys, it's barely 10 minutes, I guess. It was just a fraction of how can I say this, just it was very easy for me to pawn this thing. So we did this thing, and let me just have a screenshot of it so that I can share it on social media. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something about hacking and what's the CTF thing. This was literally very easy one. I barely spent it literally 20 or 10 minutes to get into the root user, and I finally did it. I hope you will also do the same. And since it is a retire mission, there must be some kind of write-ups or follow-up already on the internet, so you can just find that. So yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next video.